Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to access the App Store on your ONYX Boox Go 6. So if you want to access the App Store to purchase apps and download them, what you can do is just go to the Apps tab. It's on the bottom right, and then you can select App Store. It's going to be located in this tab. So let's tap App Store. It's going to load, and here you have some apps that you can download, so like some readers, news apps, tools, something for studies, and work. So pretty much this is everything. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.